It's not hidden to anyone that training is beneficial for your heart. Even one workout session can deliver prompt and long-lasting advantages. One influence training has on the heart is called ischemia. What is ischemia? Does it strengthen the heart? What is the relationship between strength training and this phenomenon? Stay tuned to parshealthttv channel to get your answer. Ischemia refers to an insufficient blood supply to the muscles for a short time. While continuing ischemia is not healthful, short bursts of this phenomenon strengthen your heart in the long run. The theory is that when you have a coronary blockage in exercise, the heart's place beyond the blockage is starved for blood supply, more so than when you're at rest. That sets up several molecular and metabolic pathways that allow the heart to adapt to that impaired blood flow. Every time you do activities, your heart becomes a little more resilient. This impact happens from any kind of workout, whether it's cardio or strength training. Actually, multiple kinds of exercise are required for complete fitness. How strength training decreases the risk of heart problems. You may not link weightlifting with heart disease, but the two are strongly connected. According to a 2019 study led by Iowa State University, lifting weights for a small period per week can lessen your risk of cardiovascular disease. Particularly, they discovered that lifting weights for less than 1 hour per week can decrease your risk for heart attack and stroke by 50 to 75%. Utilizing the same dataset, the study supervisors also saw that lifting weights for less than 1 hour per week can lessen your risk of getting metabolic syndrome by 35%. Metabolic syndrome is a condition that raises your risk of developing heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. Although strength training is hugely beneficial for your heart, it can be a challenging practice to enforce into your everyday or weekly routine. While you can slip on some tennis shoes and go for a run anywhere, weightlifting needs weights and often a gym membership. A benefit of strength training that might surprise you. Strength training refers to exercises that use dumbbells, barbells, machines, and other gym equipment, making your movement more challenging than body weight alone. There are many advantages to this kind of training, some of which may surprise you. One lesser-known reason to add strength training to your workout routine is that it can enhance your mental health. According to a 2019 meta-analysis published in JAMA Psychiatry, a study of 33 clinical trials can find that regular strength training could greatly relieve symptoms of depression. According to the Washington Post, it may not matter how much you lift or even how long you train to obtain these benefits. Possibly it might be the sense of achievement and confidence that comes from exercising, rather than the achievement of actual strength gains. To demonstrate why study subjects felt better, said Jacob Meyer, an assistant professor of kinesiology at Iowa State University. While many workouts can promote your mood, strength training may be more effective than others. If the physiological adaptations connected with strength gains and muscle growth interact with the neurobiology of depression, then it may have different, and more significant, results on depression than aerobic training alone. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell. Now, let's dive right into the more benefits of strength training. Strength training has more benefits. Decreased feelings of depression aren't the only help you can expect from strength training. One of the primary usefulness is that it can assist you in building muscle and becoming stronger. This is specifically true when compared to cardio exercises like walking and running. According to NBC News, it is an excellent choice for people who like instant gratification or have difficulty sticking to a workout routine when they don't see outcomes immediately. Put someone on a walking plan. It will take time before they perceive their body is changing. But with strength training, you can feel a distinction in your muscles even after one session. Strength training can torch calories more efficiently, decrease belly fat, and aid you appear more toned and lean. Building muscle can also lower your chance of slipping and injuring yourself because you will be able to fix yourself before you get hurt. It can even support you control your blood sugar levels and enhance your bone strength. You may want to consider adding strength training to your workout routine. Contrary to common belief, cardio-focused exercises aren't necessarily better for weight loss than strength training. Barbell squats, deadlifts, push-ups, and other strength training stimulate muscle growth, also known as hypertrophy. According to the University of New Mexico, muscle tissue contributes to approximately 20% of total daily energy expenditure. As the researchers report, each pound of muscle burns about 4.57 calories daily. Consequently, more muscle equals a faster metabolism and may promote weight loss. Relying on what exercises you schedule to do, weight training can double as cardio and boost your calorie burn. For example, kettlebell activity burns around 20 calories per minute, according to the American Council on Exercise, ACE. If you work out for 30 minutes, you'll burn up to 600 calories. That's more than what you would burn walking at 3.5 miles per hour, hiking, dancing, or swimming for half an hour. Aerobic movements have perks, but strength training is more helpful in the long run. When you do cardio workouts, you only torch calories during your exercise. Weight activity, on the other hand, boosts your metabolism for hours after leaving the gym. When you lift weights, once you stop, your body begins to recover and resumes burning calories for an extended period of time. If you're short on time, plan your cardio and strength exercise sessions on diverse days. For example, you can begin the day with a quick jog and hit the weight room after work. Another possibility is to switch cardio for high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. With this training plan, you'll torch more calories in less time. According to ACE, a typical workout takes less than 30 minutes and can increase your metabolism for hours. What's your opinion about strength training? Feel free to share your ideas and experiences with us in the comments section below. If you enjoy the video, please share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And watch more of our unique videos on the left and right of your screen.